Hi, dear Cancer. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. The third thing, this is a reading from 30th of September till the 6th of October, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. And if it's not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Cancer, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Okay, we have the King of Cups. Okay, so there's somebody around you who is so deeply in love with you, but they are not able to express it for some reason, or they feel like they should not. Okay, but there's love, a lot of love inside of the heart and soul for this connection, for the situation, for you. Let me clarify the King of Cups as their feelings for you, like clarity. Yeah, this is someone who feels like very slow. This is someone who feels like right now it's not the right time for them to tell you that they have feelings for you, or this person is feeling like they should approach you very slowly but surely. It's like this is somebody who is right now putting on this mask of they don't really care for you that much, or they don't really love you that much, but they have this planning to come towards you slowly but surely, to open up to you slowly but surely. So it's like somebody trying to take things really very, very slow between you and them, and they feel like right now is not the right time to express their feelings to you. Yeah, yeah, but you are kind of a wish fulfillment for them. You are kind of a, like their heart's desire. So somebody is fully open towards you in this direction. They have a lot of feelings for you, emotions for you, but they are putting on this mask of not having any kind of feelings for you, but slowly but surely they are having this energy of letting you know, but not right now, not right now. Eight of Swords. From your side, your feelings are you can't stop thinking negative about the situation. So whenever you're thinking about this particular person or situation, you're continuously thinking negative about it. Okay, you can't stop thinking negative about it for some reason. Let me clarify the Eight of Swords here. We have the Knight of Wands, the Ten of Wands, and the Star card. So it's becoming too much for you, too much to deal with, like this on and off, in and out, and this immature kind of energy from this person's side is kind of stressing the hell out of you. So you are in this energy of healing yourself properly and letting go of the situation, but you're not able to do that as well. It's like you are like trapped in some kind of mental jail. You're trying your best to let go of this mental jail. You're trying your best to let go of the stressful energies, but you're not able to do that. You're trying your best though, right? To heal yourself, to work on yourself, to have growth and expansion in your personal life, apart from this situation, but it's kind of very, very difficult to do right now. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them? Six of Swords. So their intention is to find a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation at this present moment, and keep on moving forward. It's like with or without you. Okay, let me clarify the Six of Swords here. This person definitely wants to find a peaceful resolution to to the problem you guys are facing. Wow. See, this person have this energy, have this intention of having long-term partnership with you. If you guys were already married or committed to each other, they have this energy of trying to protect this marriage. But they again, they are in some kind of mental jail. Either they are blocked by you, or either they are blocked by the or they are blocked by the circumstances. So this person definitely want to break the mental jail, and they want to come towards you with a solution to the problem that you guys are facing. You guys are not able to come on the same page for some reason, right? So I guess when you were ready, they were not ready. When they are ready, you are not ready. This person is preparing themselves to be ready for something long term, but I guess you are kind of letting this situation go out of your life, out of your system completely. So this person wants to come towards you with the changed and healed version, so that they can provide the best of themselves in the situation. Let's see what do you want from this particular personal situation from your side. Oh god. Yeah, honey. Why the hell I was looking that side, I don't know. I was just like, okay, curious to look at that side. Sometimes it happens. The strength card. So you want to use all of your strength and courage to stay at one point, and the point right now is to stay wherever you are, like in your calmness, in your peaceful energies, and in your own world. You don't want to come out of your own world, your own energies, your own interpersonal growth and success. You just don't want to put in the effort and energy in that direction right now. Maybe with not not with anybody. Okay, let me clarify the strength card. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, the Justice. Okay, see, you want to come out of this feeling like a victim kind of energy, and you want justice. You want the universe to come to save you. You want the universe to do the justice with you in some way. If you're going through some kind of breakup or separation or divorce or something like that, you want to come out of this breakup or separation or divorce as soon as possible, because this person betrayed you in so many ways that you can't even imagine that they can do it with you. Now you just want to steer clear of the situation, steer clear of their energies, and you just want to do justice with yourself and with your life, and you just want to stay away from the situation. Yeah, this is what you want. And you're manifesting a good life for yourself, manifesting a brand new life for yourself, manifesting this energy of coming out of this victim mode and feeling like left out in the cold kind of energy. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 6th of September, 6th of October, honey. Sorry, 6th of October. Let's see what's coming towards you. Hierophant. So it's like a higher level of commitment towards you, coming towards you. Or for some of you, it's like spiritual growth, and you might not be interested in marriage or commitment or something like that on the table, but you will be definitely having a lot of spiritual growth knowingly or unknowingly in your life right now at this moment. Let me clarify the Hierophant. We have the Nine of Cups, the Two of Cups, the Page of Cups. So somebody is coming towards you like with a marriage proposal. Wow. It's a totally new person, new energy entering in your life, Cancer. Be ready for someone new entering in your life. And, okay, swaying you. Like, it's like, wow. Someone new is entering in your life, and they're going to make sure that they are on the right track with you. They're on the right foot with you. And this is somebody who's going to propose you for marriage and or commitment, or they are going to directly tell you that they're looking forward to have a good future with you. Okay, this is a wish fulfillment in love for you guys. So the moment you are going to release somebody from your past that's not aligning with your energies anymore, the past is also trying to come back, but not right now. They have a plan to come back later. Meanwhile, a new person, a new energy is entering in your life with a higher level of commitment kind of energy. There are very high chances that you are going to meet this person while doing some spiritual stuff or spiritual healing, or might be in some kind of spiritual retreats or something like that. It could be an elder person to you, or who is a very spiritually uh, high person, right? Spiritually high, not a high person. Okay, so wow, somebody is going to sweep you off of your feet and tell you how much they love you and like you, and they're looking forward to have a good future with you. Wow, congratulations, Cancer. It's like dream come true for you guys in your love life. Now it's completely up to you if you want to say no or yes to this situation, to this proposal, but there are energies of new love around you, just around the corner, and this situation has the potential, this new love, this new lover has the potential to become a long-term partnership kind of a deal. So it's like when you're least expecting it, love is knocking at your door. The guidance here is, I can understand that you have been hurt in the situation, in your love and relationship area in the past as well. I can understand that you are like a wounded warrior right now, but trust me, slowly but surely, everything is going to be fine. Okay, and for everything to be fine, you have to start going out of your comfort zone, work on yourself, take care of yourself, let go of everything and everyone from your past that's not serving you anymore. Okay, once you are done with the past, open up yourself to new people, new energies, and new kind of experiences. And you never know what you're going to get next in your in this area of your life, because right now you're scared, right now you are like a wounded warrior, but trust me, this too shall pass. It's just a matter of divine timing and you opening up to the person who is meant for you with all of your heart and soul, right? So this is the guidance for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.